Salads are a great addition to any healthy diet. But have you ever wondered which greens to choose to maximize the health benefits? Today I'm tossing that question to our expert for our latest Healthy Eats. So today I'm with registered dietitian Maggie Mihalchuk to talk about all things salad, one of my favorite conversations, Maggie. And we always hear, eat your greens, eat your greens. We gotta eat our greens because they're really good for our health.
Exactly. Greens are nutrient packed. So for a very small amount of calories, you're getting a ton of nutrition. Getting a ton of vitamins, a ton of minerals, antioxidants, and very healthy plant compounds that our body needs. They've got vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K. Some have a little bit more than others. Most have fiber, and you're even getting protein with some.
Iceberg lettuce, bib lettuce. Still good for you? Because I've heard those are just like full of water and may not have as many vitamins.
Right, so the rule of thumb is really the dark greens have a lot of nutrition, but that's not to say that your romaine, your iceberg, doesn't have any. It still does. It's a little bit lower in things like fiber and vitamins, but it's high in minerals like calcium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium. So those are all really good things. And again, crunchy, high water content, that's important.
When we're shopping for our greens, we're grabbing a salad for lunch or whatever it is, I may love spinach, but you're encouraging everybody to mix it up.
Challenge yourself to pick up a different one at the grocery store and toss it into a salad, and maybe you just might like it. Greens are a kitchen staple for me. I always have them in the fridge because they're so versatile, so you can do a ton of different things with them. So we're gonna start here with kale, actually. Kale is a nutrient-dense green. It's packed with nutrition and it's got a little bit of protein. It's about 3 grams per cup.
This is like the go-to green is romaine.
So here we've got a fun Greek salad. This lettuce is great because it holds up in any type of salad that you're wanting to use it with. It's higher in minerals, so you've got some calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium.
Okay, and what I'm most excited about here are microgreens.
Yes.
Maggie, these have nutrients in them.
They are packed with nutrients. They have more nutrition per serving than their grown green counterparts. I like to call these vegetable confetti because they are so fun to add to anything that you're eating. So here I'm sprinkling it on to a pizza. You can add it to sandwiches, you can add it to salads.
And then we love our spinach.
We do. You can't go wrong with spinach, and you're gonna reap those benefits of that iron, vitamin C, vitamin A, and fiber. One of my favorite ways to use it is in a smoothie, and so I thought it would be fun to make one today. Okay, I'm gonna add, this is about 2 cups of spinach.
And that's our daily allowance that we wanna get.
Yeah. Got our nut milk, squeeze some lemon, and I'm gonna do a half of an avocado, about 2 tablespoons of this pumpkin puree. Really not gonna taste it. One more thing, so we're gonna get some protein powder. And then that's it, and we're gonna blend this all together.
So easy. I think the biggest takeaway that we can learn from today is that greens are going to keep you healthy, and we need to add more to our diet.
They're so easy to add, and they're packed with nutrition. Such a great way to get more nutrition from just the foods we eat on a daily basis.
Thanks, Maggie.
Yes.
Show us your favorite greens. Just tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. Hey, did you like that and you want more Living Healthy content? It's easy. Just check out these videos right here.